welcome back to my channel. I'm Spiderman and I'm going to unbox the Spiderman web shooter. It comes with a Spiderman light and it has two holes so that we could put two blasters so that it could launch two plastic blasters. I have been waiting for this web shooter a long time and I'm so happy that it came, and then my mother was not telling me that it was not my web shooter, and then I just opened, then it was not my, and then it was my web shooter, and this surprise from me.
So this Spider-Man web shooter comes with 2 gloves and it comes with 6 darts. It also has LED lights which project Spider-Man. And over here it shows we could plug in the darts 3 at once, so 1 at the top and 2 at the sides. And this is where the LED light which projects Spider-Man comes out. And these are the instructions.
I'm so excited for my web shooter. Come on, come here, let's unbox it. Let's unbox!
So here we have our glove and our shooter. So we could detach them, and if you want to put them together, then we could put them back with this stretchy and flexible thing. Now we're gonna see the LED light that projects Spider-Man's face. Now let's try it out. Now we're gonna show the LED lights over there. Up. Ooh. Yeah. Lights getting bigger.
Hi. I got ya.
Now let's test out the darts. Okay, so here, 3 darts in yours.
Yes. Going.
1,
Yeah.
2, and now 3. 3. And
Oops, I shoot 1. Ah.
So for the darts, when you press this button like this, then they'll shoot.
But I accidentally shoot 2.
1, go. Light.
Spider Jazz. See you on the ball. Spider. Oh. Can you show in slow motion, Mama? Mama, can you show in slow motion? Yeah.